Region's largest toll agency that controls much of what you spend on toll roads is in turmoil again today. The ongoing investigation of the Expressway Authority has led to a former board member pleading guilty to violating the state's sunshine law. The state alleges he was meeting behind closed doors. The plea comes on the same day the grand jury is meeting to examine more evidence in this case. West 2 political reporter Greg Fox is live at the Orange County Courthouse. Greg, could we see more indictments today?
We certainly could. Remember, it was a bit of a surprise to a lot of people back in April when, after the grand jury met, testimony concluded in the afternoon. They indicted former board member Scott Batterson on 3 felonies. So we certainly could have indictments this afternoon. Former Expressway Authority board member Marco Pena first showed up for the grand jury, but when I tried to ask him questions...
Do you think you'll be called to testify?
Do you want to explain your plea? He abruptly left the state attorney's office.
It's a second-degree misdemeanor.
Minutes later, Pena's attorney, without Pena present, entered a guilty plea to 1 count of violating the state's sunshine or open meetings law.
They did, in fact, have meetings outside of that framework.
The state attorney declined to say how Pena broke the law, but it happened up to August 28th of last year, when Pena and fellow board members on the Expressway Authority, Scott Batterson and Norann Downs, voted for the ouster of the executive director. He was directly in charge of the agency that collects and spends nearly $300 million toll-payer dollars a year. A West 2 News investigation days later revealed emails and text messages that appeared to show the 3 discussed the meeting beforehand, in private. That's against the law.
That we feel this is in the state's best interest of the community and the state's case, yes.
Not make any comment because it's a pending.
Pena's attorney declined comment on the plea deal. Minutes earlier, Pena returned to the state attorney's office for the grand jury proceedings. Former Expressway board member Batterson was indicted by that same grand jury in April on 3 felony bribery counts that allege he used the power of his official office for financial gain. And a number of other prominent names have come up in documents that have been provided by the state attorney's office, including former lawmakers Chris Dorworth and Steve Precourt. Remember, it was Precourt who was offered the job in January of running the Expressway Authority for $185,000 a year, but he turned it down because he didn't like the contract terms. We're going to stay right here as Marco Pena remains upstairs in the grand jury room. We're hoping to talk to him when he comes out. Live in Orlando, Greg Fox, West 2 News.